Thank you all again for joining me on my learning journey. At T2L Academy, I learn and then I share with you and teach, so I can learn better and hopefully in the process, I can help you learn too. So today I'm going to be sharing my learnings on how to solve problem 7 from the AMC 2019 question paper. So some of the topics that this question goes over, as with most problems in the AMC test, are problem solving and also averages. So let's take a look at our problem. Shauna takes 5 tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points. Her scores on the first 3 tests are 76, 94, and 87. In order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what is the lowest score she could earn on one of the other 2 tests? So I encourage you to go ahead, take a minute, pause the video, and then come back and hit play whenever you're ready. Let's get started. So first, she's saying she takes 5 tests. Let's highlight our information first. She takes 5 tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points. Her scores on the first 3 tests are 76, 94, and 87. In order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what's the lowest score she could earn on one of the other 2 tests? So what I would do here is, okay, so the average of, so if you know so the average of a number is the sum of, the average of a set of numbers is the sum of the set of numbers divided by the number of numbers. So they're saying 81 has to equal 76 plus 94 plus 87 plus A plus B. So these are the other 2 tests divided by the number of numbers. And we know the number of numbers because they're saying it can only be 5 tests. So again, what I would do next is I would add up these, I would multiply both sides of the equation by 5, and then we would get a simple equation. So multiply both sides by 5, and you get 405 equals 76 plus 94 plus 87 plus A plus B. Next, I would add up these 3 numbers, and that would be 76 plus 94 is equal to 170, plus 87 equals 257, plus A plus B. So then I would subtract 257 from both sides. So subtract 257 from 405. 257, let's work this out. B8. This becomes a 9, this becomes a 3. 4, 148. So 148 is equal to A plus B. Well, what does that question also tell us? It also says that the maximum on each of these tests is 100 points. And to get the lowest score on one of the tests, you need to get the highest score on the other. So the lowest score would be 148 minus 100, because you would need both of them to add up to 148, with one of them being 100. in order for you to get the lowest score. So 48 would be the lowest score that Shauna can get on one of these tests. And on our test, it looks like that is A. So that's it for this learning. Thank you for joining me. I'll really appreciate it if you leave comments, feedback, or any further suggestions for additional learnings below. I'll see you in the next video.